I suppose it wouldn't be fair if I didn't share with you what it feels like pushing this uphill. I mean, the first couple of days was hell. The first week was a nightmare. But now I'm starting to enjoy it. Here we go. To watch out for cars, you know. If there's any investors out there, I need a Heinzmann motor, which is about 1,500 euros and does about 60 to 80 kilometers an hour, so they say. And I need some solar panels for all that. So any investors out there, if you watch this, I need it. Then I can get up hills a bit easier. Because I'm damned if I want to make this trip again. Mr. Koff, don't make me have to do this journey again, alright? I've seen a lot of really extreme and beautiful sights on this adventure, but this I got to film because it's breathtaking. And what it is